You will have to create your own account by going to the website outlook.live.com and follow all the required steps, or simply inserting the credentials given by your coworkers at the day of your arrival. Once you have fully logged in, you will get to the home screen of Outlook, in which you will be able to see the inbox received by clicking on the Inbox word on the left bar on the screen. In order to start composing your email, you will have to click on the invoice icon, New Email, and a pop-up will appear. Once again, you have to state the email address of the receiving person, the topic, and the actual mail. You will be able to send your email by clicking on the Send button, located at the bottom left of the pop-up. After composing your email, you will be able to send a file in attachment by clicking on the insert located at the top of the pop-up word and then at the paperclip icon at the top left of the insert bar. In order to download a file received in attachment, you will have to open the email received and click on the arrow next to the icon of the file received, usually located at the top left side of the pop-up.